Hello students, welcome to our online class once again. Today we will discuss about linear equations in two variables. Which one? Already we have discussed about the linear equation. Linear equation means simple equation. Suppose I will write x plus 2 equal to 5. This one is called linear equation, or it is also called linear equation, or it is also called simple equation. It is in one variable. So linear equation in two variables, which one already you have read in class 9. That one is your, suppose I will take x plus y equal to 5. This one linear equation in two variables. But in class 10th, which one we are likely to discuss, that one is linear equation in two variables. That is, we will discuss a pair of linear equations, means two linear equations in two variables will be there. Let me take one example. Suppose I will take x plus y equal to 5. Another I will take x minus y equal to 2. So here, this one a pair of linear equations I have written, equation 1, equation 2. So here, what do you mean by linear equation? Which one? Already you know about linear polynomial, linear equation. What do you mean by linear equation? Linear equation means an equation whose degree is 1. It's called linear equation. Whose degree means, already you know, degree means highest exponent of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial or degree of the equation. So here, in pair of linear equations in two variables, which one we have discussed, how we will find it graphically, how we will represent it graphically. Already we know that a linear equation forms a straight line, whether it is in one variable or two variables. It forms a straight line. So here two linear equations, it form two straight lines. Suppose here x plus y equal to 5. Graphically if I take different value, suppose I will take x plus y 5, so 2, 3 also I can take. X value is 2, y value is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 4, 1 also I can take. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. And 0, 5 also I can take. 5, 0 also I can take. 6 minus 1 also I can take. So these are the solution of this linear equation. So these are the solution of the first equation. Second equation solution, x minus y equal to 2. So I can take 5 and 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 5 minus, x minus y 2, no. So 5 minus 3, 2. Then we can take 4 and 2 also we can take. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. Then 2 and 0 also I can take. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So these are the solution of the second equation. Okay. This one is the solution of the first equation. So that way you can take infinite number of solutions, but to represent it graphically, at least we need 2 to 3 solutions. When if we represent graphically, so this one, already we know that a linear equation or a linear polynomial, it forms a straight line when it is represented graphically. So graphically when it is represented, suppose I will represent, this one is called the Cartesian plane, x dash, y dash, and this one is the origin. Okay. So this one is the origin. So 0 right side 1, 2, 3, 4 positive integers are there. 0 left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, that like negative integers there. In off side we can write 1, 2, 3, 4 positive integers are there, and down one minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, this like negative integers are there. So when a linear equation is represented graphically, it forms a straight line. Suppose I will take, in case of first equation, if I take, we know that that one is your x plus y 5, x plus y 5, then 2 plus 3 5, or 3 plus 2 also 5. If I take 2 x value, first value is always x value. So 2 3, x value 2, y value 3 here. 3 2, x value 3, y value 2 here. So this one we have taken 2 3 and 3 2 we have taken 3, x value 3, y value 2. In case of another value, which one I take, x value 2, y value 3. So when you join, you will get a straight line. This one is the equation which one I have taken, x plus y equal to 5. So we have taken x plus y equal to 5, which is a linear equation, which form straight line. When it is represented graphically, it will form a straight line. So another equation also, when it will represent, it will form another straight line, x minus y equal to 2. So we can take 4, 2 also we can take, x value 4, y value 4, 2 also we can take. Another value 5, 3 also we can take. 5 minus 3, 2, x value 5, 5, 3 also we can take. Or 2, 0 also we can take. This one 2, 0, x value 2, y value. So this form another straight line. We know that a linear equation forms straight line. Here we are discussing a pair of linear equations. Linear equation means an equation whose degree is 1 is called linear equation. So it is in two variables. In one variable, if it is given, that one is also called simple equation. But in two variables, we will discuss about a pair of linear equations in two variables. Means here one pair is there, two equations are there in two variables. It may be in variables x and y. Here we have taken the example x and y variables we have taken, means pair of linear equations in x variables. So here when it is represented graphically, it forms a straight line. A linear equation or a linear polynomial always form a straight line. So here a pair of linear equations, when it is represented graphically, it forms straight line. Okay, now we'll discuss what are the conditions, whether the straight line will intersect or it will be parallel or it will coincide. Okay, in which case it will coincide. Look, a pair of linear equations in its general form, a pair of linear equations in two variables in its general form can be written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. And second one, I will write a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This one equation 1, this one equation. So I have written a pair of linear equation in its general form. It is called its general form. Okay, so here a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Here a1, b1 are the coefficients, a1, b1, a2, b2 are coefficients, and c1, c2 are the constants. Suppose in a pair of linear equation, when it is the c1, c2 values are in the RHS, in the right hand side, in that case suppose I will take x, 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Here the constant term is in RHS. So here we write 2x plus